Today, we're concentrating on the bedrooms, which we can freshen up with a few changes.
This kids' room has so much beautiful natural light that just pours into it, but it's quite dated. So to update the look here, we've already taken off the architraves and we're going to replace them with some beautiful sleek ones. These doors, I mean, there's a really big profile. They say a lot and it's very extreme. We're going to replace them with a flat profile, which is really going to bring this whole room into the now. It's going to look great. Never underestimate how much the small details can make the biggest impact. And this is a really good example, the architraves and the skirting boards, because in this particular area and in this whole home, we're going for a really modern look. But this colonial profile, it's a little dated. It has been like the standard choice in homes for many, many years, but we really want to lift this space. So by taking out these architraves and skirts and putting in a flat form profile, and once these walls are painted, well, it's out with the old and in with the new.
Earlier, we started work on updating our bedroom wardrobe and skirting. Let's see how it's come up.
Such a simple step in change, but such a massive transformation. Previously, these wardrobe doors were a funny colonial profile. They had like a wood grain going through them. They were dated and faded and seen better days. But just by replacing those old doors with these beautiful Hume doors, you can see this flat profile has just made the entire room sleek and contemporary. By adding simple hardware, it's just given the ability to be able to form and function, and yet it still looks so great.
Before, the old-fashioned skirting really dated the space, and just by replacing it with these modern, streamlined skirting boards, it gives the room a far more contemporary feel.